Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming RCS is enabled and that you do not need any backups. Once done, open your Messages app and navigate to the conversation. You should long press the specific message or tap the thread menu to reveal delete options, because granular deletion removes content faster than wiping threads. Make sure to note whether the prompt mentions device only or cloud sync. That distinction matters for permanent removal. Start deleting the targeted messages now and proceed to clear associated attachments. Once you have messages removed, focus on attachments and linked copies so deletions persist. You should open the media viewer and delete each photo, video, or file from both the conversation and your gallery or cloud storage. Otherwise, the message may rehydrate. Also, make sure to temporarily disable cloud sync or automatic backup in Messages, Google Drive, or your carrier settings before final cleanup. Finally, clear app cache and downloads so no cached copies remain on the device and in sync services. You finish by performing a final wipe. Clear the Messages app data or uninstall and reinstall it to purge residual records. This step removes local index files that can resurrect content. Then restart the device and verify the conversation and attachments are gone. Once confirmed, you can re-enable backups if needed, but make sure the deleted items do not repopulate. If messages still reappear, contact your carrier or revoke device access for linked accounts to stop server-side sync. This is the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.